Okay, as I was saying, on our WP courses security topic area, the plugin we want to look for is all-in-one WP security and firewall. We type that in to the add new plugins area. We get this result coming up first. Install it. This is going to give you extra security to harden up the website a bit, because they can be a bit soft out of the box. So click on activate. There's a whole range of security tools actually to the website, but what I like is the little security meter it shows you. So if we go down to WP security, it now shows this little meter, and that kind of shows how it is when you have a brand new website with nothing sort of set up. You can then start going and looking at critical features that you might want to fix. So let's look at login lockdown. Click on the on button, it takes you to the settings for that particular feature. And check this feature if you want to enable the login lockdown feature. Let's tick it to yes. It's got like a point scoring thing. Don't worry about that too much. And just turning it on is enough to improve the security actually. And you get other settings you can play around with, like how many login attempts someone might get before they get locked out. So that's when people are trying to guess usernames and passwords, because the hackers might have a computer running that will do hundreds of attempts to guess a password, or thousands. Whereas if you set it to say they get 5 attempts, and then it blocks them, and then you can also set how long the retry period is. Like if this all happens within 5 minutes, it counts the 5 attempts within 5 minutes as failed logins, and then you can decide how long you want to lock them out for. So you can lock them out for an hour. I like to lock them out for 10 hours, so I make it 600 minutes, which means it kind of slows their fun down. You can also set it to let you know by email if people are trying to log in unsuccessfully and hack the site. That can be useful. Sometimes you get a lot of attempts and you get a lot of emails, so just play that by ear. How much? Probably turn it on to start with, but if you notice you're getting lots of emails, there's not much you can do about it, then maybe go back and turn this off. Hit save. That's now giving me 20 out of 20 instead of 0 out of 20, and if you go back to the dashboard, you can see security strength's gone up. It's still not even in the green zone, so let's go looking for some more things. File permissions, I don't know if we can do much there. Yeah, I don't like to muck around with this too much. It's saying what directories permissions should be. I think just leave that for now. Different hosts set it up in a certain way on purpose, so I'd leave that one. What else can we harden? The basic firewall, which is pretty handy, and it's got some settings here. Enable basic firewall on, so that gives us 15 points there. This stuff here you might want to play around with. If we turn this on, Tarek wouldn't be able to log in with an iPad. It kind of stops that kind of access to some extent. So maybe we'll just leave it the first setting there. And firewalls, there's other things you can go into if you end up getting more advanced. There's lots of different security options, but let's just stick with the couple that we've done. And we've just kind of tickled into the green zone. And that's probably for a new user to security and things like that, probably enough to at least improve their website security a bit. A reasonable amount, I should say. It's not a bit, it's quite good. WP security on the left-hand side with the green, yes. I'll have a look. Let's see. Let's have a look at how old this. So it should be. You look at who made it. Tips Tricks HQ. 2 months ago is the most recent update. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna finish off the recording there. So that's all we need for this section. Stop.